Border Area Development Minister Rakham A. Sangma has demanded the introduction of railways connectivity from Guwahati to Dhaka via Baghmara in South Garo Hills, which will increase the economic prospects of the region. Speaking to media, Rakham said there was a proposal long time back when Captain Williamson Sangma was Chief Minister to connect Guwahati with Bangladesh through Baghmara with railways. Sangma said a petition was already submitted that an integrated check should be set up at Baghmara so that tourists and businessmen can come in, because if railways come, the economy of the people will also improve to a great extent.
There was a proposal long time back when the Captain Sangma was a Chief Minister that to connect Guwahati with Haluagat, Bangladesh through Baghmara with the railways. I will also still demand to make this happen, because like Baghmara can be the corridor for the Meghalayas of the northeast, which is can connect directly to Dhaka. The business, the trade can employ, and the employment generation will rise up, and lots of young people and businessmen, our economy will improve.